Looking to switch up your plant-based game? In this video, we're counting down the best nut milk makers you can get right now. From almond to cashew, make fresh, healthy, and delicious dairy-free milk right in your kitchen. Number 1. Kidisle Nut Milk Maker. The Kidisle Nut Milk Maker is a well-designed, versatile appliance that brings a lot of value to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy fresh, homemade plant-based beverages. This compact, modern device boasts 6 convenient functions, giving users the ability to create a variety of drinks including nut milk, oat milk, and soy milk, while also offering settings for fresh juice, boiling water, and a handy self-cleaning feature. It's an excellent all-in-one companion for anyone committed to a plant-based diet or simply looking to cut back on store-bought, additive-filled options. One of the standout features is its sleek and intuitive touchscreen interface, which allows for easy, one-touch operation. Whether you're a first-time user or an experienced home cook, navigating through the functions is effortless, making it simple to whip up your favorite drinks in just a few minutes. The thoughtful inclusion of a 2-hour keep warm function ensures that your beverage remains at an ideal, enjoyable temperature, whether you're savoring a slow breakfast or entertaining guests. Another area where the Kidisle Nut Milk Maker shines is its comprehensive accessories package. Included with the appliance are a measuring cup, cleaning brush, fine mesh strainer, nut milk bag, power cable, and warranty card. Essentially everything needed for a smooth and convenient experience from start to finish. The build quality is sturdy, and the machine operates quietly and efficiently, producing consistently smooth, flavorful beverages. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the self-cleaning feature, which quickly removes residue with minimal effort. Number 2. Arcmira Nut Milk Maker. The Arcmira Nut Milk Maker is a feature-packed, highly capable appliance that brings versatility and convenience into the modern kitchen. Designed for those committed to a plant-based lifestyle or anyone seeking a healthier alternative to store-bought beverages, this machine makes it easy to whip up a range of fresh, non-dairy drinks in minutes. Capable of producing 35 ounces, 1,000 milliliters, of plant-based milk at a time, it offers an economical, eco-friendly way to enjoy favorites like almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk without additives or packaging waste. What sets the Arcmira apart is its impressive 8-in-1 functionality, providing options for cold, warm, and hot drinks, while also including boil water, keep warm, delay start, and self-clean features. Unlike many other models, it even allows you to skip the soaking step, which saves both time and effort. The smart LED screen design makes operation easy and precise, displaying real-time timing and temperature settings, and offering safety functions like automatic shutoff and overheating prevention for peace of mind. One particularly thoughtful feature is the audible beep at the end of each program, so you're never left guessing when your beverage is ready. The 8-blade stainless steel blending system, paired with a built-in quadrilateral stirring column, ensures ingredients are thoroughly blended and repeatedly stirred for smooth, creamy results with no missed bits. Whether making a rich soy milk or a light almond milk, the consistency is consistently excellent. The accessories package includes a measuring spoon, measuring cup, 2 cleaning brushes, a nut milk bag, a recipe book, and an instruction manual, adding convenience and value. Number 3. Kidisle 32-ounce Nut Milk Maker. The Kidisle 32-ounce Nut Milk Maker is a capable and thoughtfully designed appliance, perfect for anyone who enjoys making fresh, plant-based beverages at home. With an upgraded 8-in-1 functionality, this model takes versatility to the next level by offering functions for nut milk, oat milk, rice paste, boiled water, and more, all in one compact device. It's an ideal kitchen companion for those looking to experiment with a wide variety of nutritious, homemade drinks. The intuitive interface makes operation simple for users of all experience levels, with easy-to-read controls that let you choose your desired function and start the process with a single touch. One feature that adds noticeable convenience is the extended 2-hour heat preservation function, which keeps your creations at just the right temperature for a relaxed morning or for when serving family and friends. The appliance also shines in the accessories department, arriving with a measuring cup, cleaning brush, fine mesh strainer, nut milk bag, recipe book, power cable, and warranty card, providing everything needed for a smooth start. Performance-wise, the Kidisle 32-ounce Nut Milk Maker consistently delivers smooth, creamy plant-based milk and other beverages with minimal fuss. Its powerful motor and efficient design handle various ingredients with ease, ensuring a consistent texture every time. The self-cleaning function adds to the convenience, making daily use simple and hassle-free. Number 4. Buaiahug Nut Milk Maker. The Buaiahug Nut Milk Maker stands out with its upgraded 10-blade 3D stainless steel blending system, delivering impressively smooth, plant-based beverages in just minutes. This thoughtfully engineered appliance offers a well-rounded combination of performance and user-friendly features that make it a valuable tool for any health-conscious kitchen. With a 9-function setup, users can create a wide range of drinks from almond milk, oat milk, and cashew milk to smoothies, soy milk, and rice milk. It even includes options for boiling, auto-cleaning, sterilizing, and maintaining heat, providing flexibility and convenience in one compact unit. One of its most notable features is the low-noise soundproof design, which lets you prepare your morning plant-based drinks without disturbing the household. The smart LED screen enhances ease of use, displaying temperature and timer settings for precise control over your beverage's consistency. Helpful safety functions like automatic shutoff and overheating prevention offer peace of mind, while an audible beep signals the end of each cycle, so you'll know when your drink is ready. The appliance's unique 10-blade cross system works alongside a specialized stirring column to ensure that ingredients are thoroughly blended, preserving the nutritional content while achieving a silky, smooth texture. Cleanup is equally effortless, thanks to its 120-second auto-clean function, which swiftly removes residue between uses. Number 5. Bovoey Nut Milk Maker. The Bovoey Nut Milk Maker offers an efficient and user-friendly solution for creating fresh, plant-based beverages at home, all with the ease of one-touch operation. Ideal for individuals looking to eliminate the hassle of traditional milk-making methods, this appliance simplifies the process by removing the need for pre-soaking. With a generous 42 ounces, 1,200 milliliters, capacity, it's well-suited for families or batch preparation. Its wide range of functions caters to different drink preferences, offering options for chilled almond milk, warm oat milk, and hot soy milk, as well as settings for boiling water, keeping beverages warm for up to 6 hours, and scheduling with an 18-hour delay start. The built-in automatic cleaning feature completes a cycle in just 1 minute, streamlining post-use maintenance. Performance-wise, the Bovoey stands out with its powerful 12-blade stainless steel system, which ensures ingredients are thoroughly blended for a silky smooth finish. Combined with a quadrilateral stirring column, it achieves consistent textures without missing any ingredients, preserving flavor and nutrients alike. Audible alerts mark the completion of each program, adding convenience for busy routines. The thoughtful inclusion of cycle cleaning and a smart temperature control system enhances usability further. Whether making almond, oat, or soy milk, or experimenting with smoothies and hot drinks, the Bovoey Nut Milk Maker consistently delivers smooth, delicious results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.